Welcome to our YouTube tutorial on how to update inventory in Seller Central. In this video, we'll walk you through the step-by-step process to ensure your Amazon inventory is always up to date and accurate. Let's dive in. To begin, log in to your Seller Central account and navigate to the Inventory tab. From there, select Manage Inventory to view your product listings. These listings are Amazon fulfilled, meaning you can't manually change the quantity. To adjust FBA inventory, you'll need to either send inventory to FBA or remove inventory from FBA. This listing is FBM, and we can update inventory manually. Just click Edit and save the changes. And there you have it. Updating your inventory in Seller Central is a straightforward process that ensures your products remain available to customers and helps you avoid stockouts. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Amazon seller tips and tutorials.